Well, I am back. Coach Sarah here. Okay, you guys, I just tried to make these Baobab bites for you and it sort of turned into a hot mess. That's okay. If you're joining me from YouTube, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and the notification bell. If you're not in my Simply Cooking group on Facebook, hop on over and join us live each week where we cook something live. Okay, thanks for your patience, guys. I made a hot mess and you know what? I sort of felt like, I just want to kind of cry about this. Nope. This is just a real life lesson for all of us. You just practice your comeback. And you know what? There's no guarantees here. I'm live again. This could be a hot mess again. And you know what? That's okay. I'm going to show you what I did. I knew I needed to go. Let me tell you why. Because when it gets sticky in there, if you guys have made the superfood chews, when it gets sticky, it gets really stuck in your food processor. So I totally know that, and I was like, oh, I don't want to keep you guys sitting there waiting on me for 10 minutes while I clean my food processor. So I took a deep cleansing breath. Don't we all need those sometimes? And I cleaned my food processor, and we're gonna do take two. And I'm gonna be more careful this time, you guys, and pay attention. I really was like, did I put the collagen in? Didn't I? I know, thank you, Denise. You guys are so amazing. I love you guys so much. I really appreciate you guys supporting me here because you're in my kitchen. You're in my kitchen. This is just reality, really reality TV happening right now. So I don't know what I did. I've made this several times. And so anyways, it's actually, I wanted to show it to you guys because it's not all that bad, but it's sticky enough that I'm like, I just wanted to start over because I really wanted you guys to see how I did. The first several times I've made it, not a problem. So it was just stuff that like this happens, right? And the show must go on. I didn't stop. That's the thing, you guys. I hope you know I never quit. I just took a break. I need to take a break. Sometimes I gotta go take a break. I gotta clean out my food processor. Now I'm back. So here I am. Say a prayer though, because now I'm all nervous and it's fine. You know, life happens, right? So we are gonna make Baobab protein bites, take two, hopefully perfect this time. Go pay attention. The reason I love this recipe is because it is dairy-free, fuel pull, and Deep S compliant, and that was something I was looking for. Again, this is inspired by the superfood chews, and I was looking for something. They had a lemon recipe, but I wanted to have something with Baobab in it and not coconut flour. So this is where this kind of transpired into this so that we could enjoy it. And yes, if you don't have creamy dreamy, you can definitely use whey, but that would have dairy in it. So just keep that in mind. Okay, I'm gonna follow this really closely now. I'm like, I am nervous, not gonna lie. I'm like, woo, how did this happen? Okay, we're gonna start with Baobab. Whew, here we go, Baobab. And I got my quarter cup measure. I was telling you guys this is 4 tablespoons is a quarter of a cup. So I'm going to put in my Baobab. I'm gonna go down my list more cautiously today. Now, okay, so we have quarter cup Baobab. Half a cup of creamy, dreamy plant protein. So we're gonna do that. I feel like I did good up to here. Then we are going to add collagen, which I wasn't sure I added that last time. Hello again, Melody. Hello, friends. Hi, Cheryl. Okay, so it's half a cup of collagen. And then we are going to do 2 pinches of Himalayan salt. That looks good. Then we will add, okay, this is, you guys, I'm gonna do 6 tablespoons of Gentle Sweet. Yes, exact same amount, Pat, for the whey protein. So I'm gonna do 6 tablespoons of Gentle Sweet. I'm gonna measure this out like this time. I don't know, just because I'm being all nervous. I feel like I have to sit here and count, you guys, so I don't mess this up. Almost. You do not have to use Gentle Sweet. You can use Super Sweet, but if you do, just know, I think this makes it taste like candy if you guys want that candy taste. So I would do this first, at least try 1 batch this way. And then if you want to swap it for Super Sweet, you can. I would only use 2 tablespoons of Super Sweet if you do. And then you're going to want less water because I don't want you to have the sticky mess that I had. Okay, then we're gonna do 1 donk. This is my, it's not really fajitas, but I keep my stevia in here with my little donker. So I'm gonna add 1 donk of stevia. Then we're gonna do 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. 1 tablespoon of coconut oil has 14 grams of fat. So technically you could have 1/3 a serving of this, but please don't do that. If you do that, you will be proteinified. That's what I was explaining earlier. You will be proteinified because this has like 50 grams of protein in here, you guys. So this is like mega super powerhouse protein bars with immune boosting power, okay? I shouldn't have named it that, but that's so long. Whoa, so long. Okay, did I get everything? No. Lemon juice and water. Okay. It's fine. It's gonna be fine. Yes, I'm gonna post the recipe. I'm gonna get it on my website later, but I'll put it on the description for you guys for now until I get it on my website. Okay, lemon juice. Where did I put it? Here it is. 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Now I know I have all my dry ingredients in there, so 2 tablespoons. Yeah, so I was saying you guys can have, you could have 1/3 of this. That's a lot of protein. I don't think you need that. I would say stick to about 1/5 of this. 1/5 of the recipe is good. And share some with your family. Why not? I love when my kids have stuff healthy. Okay, I'm starting with 1 tablespoon. 1 tablespoon, because after the last experiment, I don't know what I did there. All right, take 2. Oh, say a prayer. All right, really talking to Jesus right now. Okay, we are gonna blend this, and when you think you've blended it long enough, you probably haven't. That's why you need to do a food processor and not by hand, because if you mix it by hand, it's not gonna form the ball. So let's go. This is already going better. All right, I think, did you guys see what I did there? It's like super, super important. Good morning, Nikki. How are you? Good morning. Good morning, Joanne. Hi, Mary Beth. Okay, did you see what happened here? This is why you have to use the food processor. You blend, and when you think nothing's happening, you let it keep going, and then it turns into like this ball. So this is why if you saw the mess one that I did a little bit ago, that one did not form the ball, and I just knew. I was like, if that happens for you guys, start with 1 tablespoon. That worked. So 1 tablespoon. You guys see this? It's like cookie dough. It's like cookie dough. Oh, here comes my people. We're still live, but you can come say hi if you want to. Oh, Tatum, you have to put a shirt on though, buddy. He's a boy. He's shirtless. Okay, so now that we have that, so when in doubt, what's my mantra? Blend longer. Blend longer. Okay. So now you're gonna just get like a silicone mold. I'm gonna give you options. If you don't wanna sit there and make little cute hearts and little cute butterflies, you don't have to. But all you do is just take a little chunk of it and stick it in your mold. So, Mary Beth, Mama Boys, you get me. Wild ones. Okay, so you just stick these in. And it is a little sticky, but it's not bad. See, you could see, I just want you guys to see it, but it does come right out. See, if I want to get it off, I can just, it's sort of like, not quite like Play-Doh, but a little bit, you know. I'm putting too much in these. They're going to be weird hearts. Okay, you guys get the idea. Now, to firm these up, all you have to do is put them in the fridge, and they're going to firm up for you. If you do an intricate mold, what I would do is stick them in, and then stick them in the fridge and then pop them out, because otherwise all the little details, it was harder to get them out with all the little details. So, but I'm gonna give you another option if you don't want to use the mold. Okay, I have to taste it. I hope it's good. It's one of those that can get stuck on your teeth, you know. It's so good though, it's so good. Okay, so I need to grab a plate. grab a little plate. So let's pop these out. This is just my heart mold. Did it pop out? Oh, there. I did not make these very pretty for you guys. Sorry. I did take a picture. Okay, that just looks like a blob. It's fine. Well, there's one. I made them look like blobs. I'm laughing at myself. Okay, so the easiest thing to do is put them in your mold, probably throw them in the fridge for just 5 minutes, and then pull them out and then put them on your plate, okay? Really, really, really easy. If you're like, Sarah, no, I don't want to do that. That's totally fine. Just grab some parchment paper, and then you are going to put it on a parchment. Uh-oh, what happened? Will you grab her, honey? Thank you. Oh, will you pick her up? Come here. She put her hand. I don't know why we have a cooler in the house, but we have a cooler in the house and she shut her hand in it. Poor baby. My daughter's with her. She's okay. Okay, so all you're gonna do is put this on parchment paper, and then you can either grab another parchment. I'm just gonna fold this over because why not? Squish this down. So you can even do it with your hand, or if you wanna grab a rolling pin and you wanna roll it. I got too many things going on here. Okay, so then you can roll this out. You can create whatever shape you want. So have fun with it. It is like cookie dough, it is. So you cut mine into squares. Next time you use a cookie cutter, that's such a good idea. How fun. You could have fun shapes. So, I mean, you can play with this all day if you want. See, it's therapy for moms. Yes, it is. Now, then you can just cut it. Honestly, again, if it's a little bit sticky, I would just throw it in the fridge, then pull it out and then cut it, because then it's not gonna stick. So you can see it's a little bit sticky, but it's not terrible. So, ta-da! You can do whatever shape you want. So if you want little squares, I'm not being a perfectionist here, but so you guys get this. So I would cut it, and then I would have like up to a fifth of it is fuel. Again, I wouldn't go over that because I don't want you guys proteinified. So a fifth of it, this has about 50 grams of protein, you guys, this entire thing. So that's another thing, like you're giving your kids a really healthy snack that you can feel good about, that they're getting their protein, that they're getting Baobab, and they're gonna be like, oh, it tastes like gummies, Mom. Not quite like gummies, but you guys get the idea. So I just wanted to cut a couple more. This just makes it super easy. Then you can store them in the fridge. Definitely store these in the fridge to preserve them. And then this is why, if you notice, they're kind of, oh, see, they're sticky. Just barely though, it's not terrible. They're slightly kind of a greenish color. That is because of the creamy dreamy protein, plant protein. It just turns this color. So it's totally fine. It's totally fine. All right, I hope you guys make these. I am gonna show you guys. You guys wanna check out the avocado really quick? I told you guys last week we would do a check on our avocado. So I wanna do that with you. Let me rinse my fingers really quick. I got them covered in Baobab bites. Okay, so I think we learned together here. 1 tablespoon of water. I hope more than anything though, if you guys joined me earlier and are popping back on here, never quit. Never quit. I felt like crying a little bit, but I was like, stop it, put your big girl pants on, clean out your blender, let's go. So it's just real life, you guys. It's real life. Stuff happens. Same thing on your Trim Healthy Mama journey. Same thing when you make something. If this happens to you, it doesn't mean quit. Oh, I can't do Trim Healthy Mama. I can't even make Baobab bites. Stop it. Stop it. You can. You are called, you are equipped, and you are capable. All right, can I get an amen? All right, this is our avocado. I'm scared, you guys, for this because it is 4 weeks old. I don't know. I'm kind of scared, you guys. Okay, I'm gonna dump this water out. So, this is the last one I have from our original experiment. So here we go. Oh, Denise, thank you. You have to fight for it, right, you guys? You have to fight to win. We're all in a battle. It's a spiritual battle here, you guys. Don't believe all the lies you're told. Okay, here we go. 4 weeks old. What do you guys think? Is this gonna be sketchy? I don't know, it's already green when I open it. Ooh. Okay, it's like really wet. Can you guys see this? It looks good. It looks fine. It smells fine. I'm scared though. I'm gonna taste it for you guys. I'm scared. I don't know. I don't know. Let's see, I'm gonna scoop one out so we can cut it and look at it. Da-da. Okay. Hey, if you are signed up for the summit, please check your email if you have not requested to join the group. It will be from sarah@arayahopehealth.com. I just want to make sure you guys know that the link is out there for the Facebook group, and I'm already letting people in. So please, please, please request to join in. If you haven't signed up for the summit, there's still time. We start on Sunday. I will post a link for that up above. Would love to have you. I'm like really excited about my handout for the summit too, you guys. I'm talking about how to eat out on plan, and I made this super cool PDF for you guys that is a cheat sheet for how to eat out that you can put in your purse. It's two-sided too. I mean, I packed that thing full of content so you guys can print it, fold it up, and put it in your purse. So I hope to see you there. Did you let it ripen on the counter before fridge and water test? Yes. So it was ripe. Then I put it in, and we had, I don't know how many we had, like 6 avocados to start with. And then now this is the last one. So I feel like I should just go for it and get it over with because I'm feeling anxious. See, even I get nervous and anxious here, you people. Okay, here we go. All right. I don't know. Okay, here we go. Nope. Mm-mm. That's nasty. That's nasty. Mm-mm. Okay, maybe it was that bite. No, I don't think it was good. I'm gonna try again. Oh. Why am I torturing myself right now? It's something weird. Mm-mm. I don't like it. It's off. And maybe you guys should try it and let me know, but something about the flavor is not right. It's very odd. Like, I think if you had to eat it, I think you could. I would not sign up to eat this like out of joy. You know what I mean? Like, I would choose joy because I love Jesus, but I would rather not choose this. Yeah, no. Mm-mm. Okay, so I think 2 weeks was good. 3 weeks was questionable last week, if you guys remember. And this time it's got a weird flavor. Like, it just tastes wrong. Do you want to come say hi to my friends? You are so cute. Uh-oh, don't let her get that. Come here. Come say hi. Come be cute. Come say hi. Do you want to wave? Can you wave to my friends? Okay, guys, so I think we learned something about the avocado test. Again, if you didn't watch the first few videos where we did it, you just cover your avocados in water and put it in the fridge. 2 weeks seem to be thumbs up. Beyond that, I don't know. I don't like this. I think this is going to go in the trash. I'm going to be honest. I don't know. Okay, yeah, 4 weeks. I wouldn't do it. Hi. Hi, yes. You so sweet. Okay, I love you guys. Thanks for bearing with me today. I hope you will make the Baobab bites. If you do, will you tag me, Araya Hope Health, or tag Sarah Truitt in the groups? That'd be awesome. Or post it in this group, Simply Cooking with Coach Sarah. I want to see your Baobab bites. I want to hear what you guys think about them, if you enjoy them. Again, don't get proteinified, but enjoy them in moderation. Definitely let your kids enjoy them too, and then you can feel like superhero mom that gives her kids superpowers and superfoods, right? Okay, have a blessed day. Have a great week, and I will see you guys again next week. And don't forget, if you're on YouTube, to hit like, subscribe, and the notification bell, and hop on over to my Simply Cooking with Coach Sarah on Facebook. I hope to see you soon. Okay, bye guys.